Today we had a meeting with political parties representative. It is basically on the new initiatives which we are proposing for our upcoming parliamentary elections.
So what are the tentative dates which are
Tentative date is not
April? So regarding new initiative they said about debate with candidates, it is discussed and it will decide on Friday.
No, actually we propose from our side that okay, let us think about that. So we give them one idea where these political representatives also agree on some part and they are going to share their comments after having a discussion internal there. Whatever they will share with us, we will again go with all these comments before PCA for getting approval for this. So this is a new idea, completely new idea for our political system.